Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install OBS Studio on Windows 10. So just search download OBS Studio in Google search and then click on download OBS Studio. Now click on download installer and the download will start. Okay, now click on next, then click on next. Now click on install. So now you can see OBS Studio has been installed. Now click on finish.